Hello friends, now I will show you how to repair the fuser unit of Xerox Workcentre 3335 and 3345 model. This is our fuser. Where we start? We have to start from releasing the heating clamp. First, take out these black covers of the connectors. Now we have to release these power cables. How to release them? Push here and pull out. Push here and pull out. The same for the other side. Push down and disconnect. Now unscrew the two screws which hold the heating lamp. We have to do this to prevent any damage on this lamp. Now carefully pull out the lamp. Unscrew these two screws to release this cover. And separate it from the metal bracket. And now it's easy to take out and replace this fuser roller. How to replace it? We have to release this, let's say, spring. Take out this wheel, unscrew the screw of this metal bracket, take out this metal bracket. Release these bushings. Now gently take out the fusing element. Now it's easy to replace the pressure roller. First, remove this part, then lift up this handle and slide it to the right. And now in a reverse order, place everything back as it was. Place the new pressure roller and place this black plastic cover. Slide it to the left. Now place this part. Place back the new fusing element, then this bushing. This metal bracket. And put the screw in. Now we have to place back this gear and place this spring over it in the holes here. Take careful. That's it. Now, before we place back this cover, clear these parts. Screw the two screws. Now place back the heating lamp carefully. Screw the two screws on the both sides of the lamp. From the other side. Connect the power connectors. And from the other side too. And place back these covers. And from the other side. And that's it. We have a new fuser. Thank you very much and good luck.